If you're like me, you've owned a lot of sawhorses, but this one, Stanley 2 Sawhorse steel kit, is the way to go. They store very easily. The legs fold up and they clamp together. Store in a closet easily. Carries 1,000 pounds of weight. They're easy to open up and set up, and they're durable. Look, you can see it set up. I have a giant antenna I'm working on because I'm a ham operator, and it just supports them so easily. Just pick them up, move them around, do whatever you want to do. Construction's super quality, heavy powder coat finish. These guys are going to last a long time. So if you're considering a set of sawhorses, forget the wood ones. Forget the plastic ones. They're hard to store. These store in a very small place. Perfect.